Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G67 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's open the settings. Right here we have to scroll down and find the section Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Here let's tap on Add Account and choose Google. Make sure again that you've got the internet connection and wait. So here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on next. So here we have to enter the password. So simply do it and tap on next. Here you can decide who's going to use this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Alright, so be patient because as you can see it might take a while to actually connect with Google services. So so here we can decide whether we want to back up the data, so it's up to you. Just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to, so just enter the same section, Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts, tap on your account and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Of course, if you've got any kind of screen lock, your device will ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.